guys, today's video I'm going to be showing you this makeup set that I've got. Okay, and I'm going to ask you to find all the purple and blue eggs, and one we'll just throw in during the video. Okay guys, let's start. So, this is the perfume, this is the makeup box. You can open it again and you can take this up. There's some brushes, there's something like, I use it as splash. Here's a lipstick, here's the nail polish, here's another mirror that I can see through. Hair dryer, I can't really see through it. Real working comb, and I like to use this as oil or something. So this is the back. It has a handle, not the strap that I shown you. Yes, and yeah, there's a sticker on there. It involves stickers too. So thanks for watching, guys. If you didn't find it, here's one. Here's another one. Here's the one I've thrown in, and here is the other one. So that was 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 eggs. Did you find them all? Comment down in the comments below. Okay, and guys, that's all we have for today. Bye!